Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System Lead Auditor course. ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System Lead Auditor course is a comprehensive training program designed to provide participants with the knowledge and skills required to plan, conduct, report, and follow up on an audit of a quality management system, QMS, in accordance with ISO 9001-2015 and ISO 19011. This course is suitable for professionals who are involved in quality management, auditing, or related fields, including quality managers, coordinators, and consultants, auditors, and executives, who wish to improve the quality of their organization's products or services. The course covers a range of topics including the principles of quality management, the requirements of ISO 9001-2015, auditing principles and techniques, audit planning and preparation, conducting an audit, reporting and following up on an audit, and leading an audit team. The course includes a combination of lectures, case studies, group activities, and practical exercises to provide participants with a comprehensive understanding of the requirements of ISO 9001-2015 and the necessary skills to plan, conduct, report, and follow up on an audit of a quality management system. Learning outcomes. Understand the purpose and benefits of a quality management system, understand the principles and techniques of auditing, plan and conduct an audit, report and follow up on an audit. Understand the role and responsibilities of a lead auditor, understand the certification process for quality management systems. Entry requirements. The ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System Lead Auditor course is designed to equip professionals with the knowledge and skills necessary to audit a quality management system according to the requirements of ISO 9001-2015. This course provides participants with the ability to plan, conduct, report, and follow up on an audit of a quality management system in accordance with ISO 19011. Who is this for? This course is designed for professionals who want to learn the skills and knowledge necessary to lead a team in implementing, maintaining, and auditing a quality management system, QMS, based on ISO 9001-2015. The ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System Lead Auditor course is suitable for a wide range of individuals, including but not limited to quality managers, quality assurance professionals, quality control professionals, auditors, consultants, ISO 9001 implementation team members, anyone interested in learning about ISO 9001 and quality management systems. Mandatory units. Introduction to Quality Management Systems and ISO 9001-2015, Audit Principles, Conducting an Audit, Reporting and Follow-up, Audit Program Management, Certification Process. Admission open. For registration call us on 92-321-505-6755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999937. Visit our website, www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk. Make sure to subscribe us on YouTube and follow our Facebook page for more details about other qualifications.